Go to work. Uy, tanang ayos natin dito. Kamukha kasi ballpen. Oh my God. Ayun si Leslie, oh. Oh my God. Ooh. Okay. Something. Today we're making a logo. Mukha tayong ewan dito. We're making a logo. This is mine. This is Dan's. So ito muna yung draft namin for today. So yeah. Si Leslie may he's making hers for now. Pero yeah, gagawin lang namin and nagugutom na kami.
May pagkain.
May kantin po ba dito?
Kay kantin po ba sa web version? Ito ang buhay ng isang OGT person, di ba Tan?
Sobra, naghanap kami ng pagkain.
So, update lang. Nagka-meeting kami related sa logo. So, gagawa kami ng logo. Mga 10 logo samples for the new project na mangyayari. And break time ngayon, 12 p.m. Tapos naglalakad kami ng rancho, naghahanap kami ng pagkain.
Hindi na to rancho.
Oo nga. Actually, nalaman pala namin sa maps na sa Antipolo na pala tayo.
Oo.
Border ng Antipolo. So, yeah. So, maghahanap kami ng food. May malapit daw na 7-Eleven dito, sabi nung isang nag-work sa amin. So, ang bait niya. Shoutout sa'yo. Di kita kilala, pero sige. Ayun. So, hopefully, makabalik kami dito by 1 p.m. 1 p.m. kasi babalik na kami to continue our work. So, yeah. Ito pala na 7-Eleven! Nakakapot na kami ng kupang.
Nasa kupang na po kami.
Lapit lang pala. Pero sige, I don't know where, pero malapit lang. Sabi ni Kuya 15 minutes, but parang 15 minutes naging 20. Pero sige, let's see. I don't know. It's 1:30 p.m. Gumagawa si Tan ng designs while ako naghahanap ako ng references here. Tapos si Leslie gumagawa ng design. Inaanto kaming lahat. So namin matulog. Pero we can't kasi this is work and we need to work. So, yeah. I don't know how to stay awake. Kita niyo eyebags ko, it's not giving. Well, anyways, I'm gonna work and I'll see you guys later. First day of work immersion, finished. First day pa lang. Uy, may ginawa talaga kami. Ang ginawa namin was we thought of concepts for the logo kasi they need a logo for their company. Tapos, yeah, nag-isip kami and then for tomorrow,
Pacheche naman na kami ngayon.
yeah, tomorrow gagawa na kami ng mga logos talaga, equivalent of 10. Kasi may ano na kami, employee friends na biglang dumating lang sa conference room namin tapos ay nagchikahan and things like that. So maling nyo, baka ma-feature namin sila dito. But yeah, that's all. See you guys tomorrow, day 2. Okay, bye! Good morning! It's 7:20 and sama ko sila Yuan and Tan. Sawang-sawa na ako sa mukha ni Tan. Joke lang, hindi. Ang tawag dito, dumaan muna kami ng school kasi ayaw na namin mag-work. The joke lang, hindi. Ginawa namin MOA namin tapos maglalakad na kami to work. So yeah, vlog ako if may gagawin kaming fun.
Tama ba ako sa work?
Hindi. Kami lang ni Tan. So alis ka na. The joke lang. Okay. See you guys later. We were given a task. Sign kami ng blueprints. Sign ng blueprints.
Lagyan ng pangalan.
Lalagyan namin ng pangalan yung blueprints and yeah, so ayun. Ayun na gagawin namin and then we're gonna continue our logo. So may side quest kami. Buti kami ginagawa kami. Pero yeah, okay, I'm gonna film and we're gonna sign this. Okay, we just signed. Hindi naman signed. We wrote down names. It's a blueprint. Lahat kami. And we're so proud. Enable din namin yung mga labels. So proud of ourselves. Pwede na talaga kami mag-work. Ay, ang arte.
Hindi.
Hindi daw.
Hindi yan pwede.
Hindi daw pwede. But yeah, we're gonna continue with the logo. Gumana yung kape ko ngayon
Wait lang yung Pilipina exam.
Pero check na namin yung exams results. Kasi lumabas raw.
Ano yung highest
50, diba?
Oh?
50 yung pinakamataas.
Hindi, I mean yung
6. Ano ba yung ilan?
passing score.
Ano ba yung
36.
Yes!
Ano score mo?
Pasok ko.
Okay, so what's been going on right now is that we're still making logos, pero Dan is down to his final two. Ginagawa niya ngayon sa kanya. Kasi kami ni Leslie, tapos na kami. Tatlo yung ginawa natin, diba? Tatlo yung ginawa namin, so si Tan lang yung dalawa, pero Tan's working hard. So, ito yung mga ginawa namin. So, yun yung ginawa ni Tan. Ito yung draft niya. So, ito yung ginawa niya. Ito yung, yan, isa pa. Tapos, ayan, kay Leslie din. Yan, puro kay Leslie yan. Tapos ito yung akin. Simple lang, and yeah. Ayun. Tapos mamaya, we're gonna eat. Kasi inaya kami kumain daw dun. So I'm kinda nervous. So, yeah, ayun lang. Sige, I'll see you guys later. Dami namin ginagawa. Alright, bye. Hi, hello po. Okay, yun lang. Bye. Okay, it's like 4:47 p.m. Kita niyo yung mukha ko. It's not giving. And, ang dami ng papeles. So, ang nangyayari was, nagpa-photocopy kami ng MOA kasi we needed 2 copies. Isang copy for the school, isang copy for the law. For the law, tapos ayun, na-stress kami sa printer. Andun ako for like 1 hour, nagpa-photocopy. And, ngayon okay na. So, I'm happy, I'm proud of myself for overcoming. Tapos, ayun. Uwi na kami pagkatapos ito. Pero, yeah, that's all. Alright. Day 3. Ay, hindi naman sin. Pero, we're sorting papers. Kasi tapos na kami sa logo. Wala kami ginagawa. So, we asked if... We asked if may pwede silang gawin. And they let us sort papers. Yeah, it'll be fun. Let's enjoy. Ano ba? Hi! Thank you. Ang dami natin! Field trip ba to?
Customer 1, the Guzman.
Thank you so much.
Hindi sila mag-order.
Piling alumni!
Ang mga guro ng taga-barangay.
Yes! I'm so sad. Hindi naman sad na ang saya ko lang. Nakita tayo lahat. Piling alumni talaga ako.
Yung G in a diamond shape. So makita niyo po dito. Yung G po, tapos yung A.
This is how we work. Tan's here. Kita niyo lang yung ulo niya. Ulo niya to. Hindi ka na nakita. Yeah, this is how we work. Inaantok na nga kanina pa. Actually, lahat kami. Pero gumagawa pa logo.
Yan na, mukha bang hindi kami gumagawa.
And kita niyo kami dito sa ayun yan.
Galing
Kami yan. Wala ako dyan pero sumarado ako sa iPad ko. Well, dito ako. I don't know where to put my camera. I want to vlog time-lapse everything. Pero yeah. Okay, so for today, we're planning some storyboards for the teaser video. And kita niyo naman ang malaking screen ni Tan. Grabe ang gaming monitor niya. We're making a storyboard.
Kailangan pa natin ng transitions.
Yeah. Well, actually, since kasi parang teaser lang siya, we won't really need any transitions. So, logo feeds.
So, ano yung prefer niyong minutes? 2 or like 30 seconds?
2 minutes na lang kasi may interviewin pa tayong tao eh.
Sabagay. Sino ba ba? Sino yung interview? Sila magmano?
Yan yung mga tao na sa baba. Pero I have to ask them if pwede ba. And if possible, motor. Parte ng motor. So front area shot, logo shade, shows and fades in, logo, kaya yan yung first scene. Fades out. So second scene, pan view of all offices and entrance. So pagpasok natin, yung entrance, pagkita natin.
Wala naman na yung conference. Ay, yung for office na naman eh. Tapos naman na iba nga.
So, ang papakita mo natin is yung procurement, project management, conference room, patio room, and design office.
Natin
Yung,
last
ito
yung
yung design,
president room.
ito yung design office. Okay, so it's Great Big Friday. Tapos, ang updates lang is, we're gonna be
Kape tayo.
presenting the logo later. So this is the second cup of coffee for today. Hindi ako nag-vlog, nakalimutan ko eh. Tapos ngayon, I'm doing PR listing work. So yeah, ayun yung ginagawa namin. After lunch pa yung presentation. Pero yeah, I think next week, I might be able to vlog, hopefully. And mapakita ko na sila. Pero mag-interview rin kasi kami and things like that. So yeah, let me do PR and yeah, presentation later. Di lang ako nakakapag-vlog kasi nakakalimutan ko.
Gagawa kami ng behind the scene.
Totoo yan. So yeah, I'll see you guys later.
Mga grid line. And then ito po ang second version po. Yan. Minove ko po yung bilog dito. Tapos distribute ko po sa 4 sides po.
Second week of work immersion last week, and here we are again. Today I think we're gonna be going to site visits and create the video now. So yeah, I have a lot of stuff. But yeah, I'm gonna go now, and yeah, I'll see you guys later. Field trip! Char, hindi naman. We're packing, hindi naman packing. We're moving to the other office kasi pag sa site visit kami, tapos magme-meetings and dito. So yeah, we're moving stuff. I'm anxious, I'm excited. So yeah, we'll see you guys. Wala na kaming dala. Oh my God. Okay, sige. We're gonna go. I'm excited. Road trip! Ay, hindi kayo nag-hi. Road trip. Punta kami Tagaytay. Tagaytay. Mag-ano kami. Magsa-site visit. Sa site visit kami. Sa, ano, Baguio. Charot. Nasa Cainta lang. So yeah, I'm excited. Excited na rin tong lalaking to sa likod. Yeah, excited. Let's go!
Ay, dito ka lang. Simple lang yung sa mga doors. Since lang sila ng mga height. Commercial. Yung staff na rin. Sa atin. Pero hindi gusto ko ba? Laser. Ay, sorry? Tapos, laser ulit. Malahin.
Sige po.
Naglaro ng vlog.
Ay, pinag-shantali namin. May magpa-posters sa Facebook. Besta na lang po. We're gonna eat lunch sa... Ay, hindi ko pala kita. Sa McDo. This is like the third McDo I have in this week. So, situation right now, nag-improve ulit kami ng logo kasi pumili na yung president namin. Well, president. Tapos tomorrow mag-meeting ulit kami, doon na kami mag-finalize ng logo. Ayun. Lahat sila gumagawa. Tapos ako gumagawa rin, malamang. Tapos later, I'm gonna do, baka, if kaya, the teaser video. And if the architects need any help. So yeah, productive day today. Tomorrow kasi may site visit ulit kami. Pero tentative. So yeah. Ayun. See you guys. Welcome back. I don't know if it's gonna be a separate vlog or gonna be like the same vlog from week 2, but maybe it will be week 2. But Capital Year has a event going on that invites all grade 12 students that went to the work immersion to celebrate the success of your event. Sorry, close the door. And I was like, you know what, I'm gonna join. I've been really indecisive if I really wanted to join, but I was like, you know what, I'm joining. So yeah, I'm going. I got invited and things like that. So yeah. I'm gonna go get ready. I have not showered yet. I'm telling you all right now, I've not showered yet. I don't care if that's TMI or what, but yeah, I'm gonna go and shower. I'll see you guys later when I'm ready. I'm not, yeah, you guys can see it in my face, but yeah, I'm gonna go get ready and I'll see you guys later when I'm all good now. I'll be vlogging the whole event for you all. Alright guys, I'll see you guys later. Outfit for today, just got readied up. So I'm wearing a white polo shirt because it says to wear a white attire, and I'm wearing green pants. So we love that. So I'm actually about to go in a sec because it starts at 6 and it's currently like 5:30. So yeah, it starts in a bit, but I need to get ready. I need to fix my face. I'm currently panicking right now. So yeah, this is what it is right now. I'm currently panicking, but yeah, I'll see you guys. I'm gonna fix my face right now. I'm gonna show you guys right now on the camera that, you know, I have like vlog content. This won't be like your ordinary, like, you know, get ready with me and things like that. So yeah, okay, I'm gonna go set it up. Just gonna put on moisturizer, road, and a powder face and things like that. So yeah, all right, I'm gonna start. Complete set. I have a denim jacket on, and there you go. All right, I'm gonna go to the party, and I'll see you guys later. All right, bye. Nandito na here sa Capital Year. Sa kami po.
Ng 50 pesos, kaya Ashton Spirit. Pag umakyat siya mamaya.
Ganda.
Ako yung photographer na tinawag niyo.
Talaga ba? Uy, may sunog snake.
Bonfire.
Ay, shala. Anyway, kaya footage ko.
Baba ka na lang din para...
Ngayon na ba?
Oo.
Ay, may ano.
Pay as you order siya.
So I was vlogging, tapos biglang nag-weird yung camera ko. So, nag-order kaming food kay Jessa. And nag-order sila ng food, and I ordered a drink. So yeah, I'm gonna pay it na kasi sinisigan ako ni Jessa, nababayaran ko na daw sa Gcash. So yeah, see you guys. Cholo!
Boss, camera ko, boss. Boss!
If ever na gusto niyong bumalik dito, siyempre babalik kayo, wala kayong shoes. Tapos, ngayon, kamusta na tayo? Kamusta mga OJT niyo?
Gusto ko pa mag-OJT.
Sino mo na gusto mo share?
Ayun sa...
Ano, siguro na yung experience na hindi niyo makakalimutan. Ano, sino?
Saan yan? Sa daog. Asun pa!
Noong una, kala namin, sino naman yung OJT?
Akala niyo ano?
Kala namin magiging professional talaga kami sa ano. Pero ano yata, naging professional yata kami sa pagtiktik ng kalawang. Yung
Ang OJT nila is sa Quezon City, sa Camp Aguinaldo. Anong ginagawa niyo doon?
Si Jollibee. Brigada Bulo. Jogging.
Ganon!
Ano ginawa mo sa JT?
What's your,
Dapat galit, ah.
OJT, anong ginawa mo? Tapos, anong pinaka-memorable experience mo?
Oy. Ano mo na?
Ano OJT mo?
OJT ko is, tawag siya is ICTD sa Office of Civil Defense, which is the government workplace.
The party's over! The party's over! Sorry. The party's over. Okay, bye. Bye. So I just did skincare. I just gotten ready. So yeah. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and end this vlog here. The two week work immersion, vlogs are done. They're finished. I hope you guys enjoyed. Really, I really enjoyed. Vlogging for y'all and the experience. I'm really happy that they allowed me to vlog their experiences and things like that, and the party as well. So yeah, I haven't got any rest this week, but I'll definitely be resting after this video, and yeah, things like that. Alright guys, if you guys did enjoy this video, let me know by giving the video a like and comment down below, and make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you guys miss any videos of me. My name is Wavy Wham, or Wham the Guzman, and I'll see you all later on my next vlog. Bye!